Morning class. Sairam to all. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at your homes. Okay? Yes. Today we are going to start our active English, that is chapter number 21, right? Yes. I hope you all are ready with your textbooks. Yes. If you are not ready, go and bring your textbooks. Okay? Yes. Whatever is being taught, please go through it. Okay? Once. Yes. So, let's start our English class. Yes. Answer the following questions, right? Yes. So, let's have some questions here. We have what is given in the picture. Yes. What is given to you in the picture? Yes. Cups and table, right? Yes. So our first question is, are there any cups on the table? Ask Prem. Okay. Number 1 we have, are there any cups on the table? Asked Prem. What you can observe here in the picture? Yes, there are cups and on the table, right? Yes. So how you will reply? How you will reply if somebody will ask you? Tell me. Yes, there are some cups on the table, said Maya. Okay. Inverted commas we have to close. How you will reply? Yes, I know you will reply very well, right? How you will reply? Let's speak with me. Yes, there are some cups on the table, said Maya. Next question we have, question number 2. Are there any cups on the table? Question mark. See, inverted comma is starting here and it is closing here with a question mark, right? And who is asking this? Asked Anu. Are there any cups on the table? Asked Anu. What you can see in the picture? You can observe only table, right? So can you tell there are cups on the table? No. Inverted comma open and close, right? No, sorry, not close. Inverted comma started. No, then comma. There are not any cups on the table. Comma, inverted comma, close. Said Mohan. No, there are not any cups on the table, said Mohan. Now we have the next question. Yes. Are there any children in the car? Asked Jack. What you can observe here? This is a car, right? And what you can see? There are so many children in the car. Okay? So, are there any children in the car? Can you see? Yes. Yes. How you will reply? Yes. There are some children in the car. Okay. How you will reply? You will reply, inverted comma started. Yes, comma, there are some children in the car, comma, inverted comma close, said Anu, right? Because we can observe the children in the car. Yes, right? You can observe here. Yes. Now moving to the next question we have, inverted comma started. Are there any children in the car? Are there any children in the car? Question mark, inverted comma close, asked Radha. Yes, what you can see in the picture? What picture you can see in the slide? Yes, it is a car. With the children, are there any children? No. No. So how you will reply? Inverted comma started. No, comma, there are not any children in the car. After that, comma, the inverted comma close, said Anu. Question number 5 we have, is there any water in the glass? Question mark. Is there any water in the glass? Question mark. Then inverted comma close, asked Maya. What you can see? Yes, a glass of water is there. It means water is also there and glass is also there. Both the things are there. So we can observe it. Yes, we can see it. Yes. So how we will reply? Yes, inverted comma is started. Yes, comma, there is some water in the glass. Comma, inverted comma close, said Prem. Okay. How you will reply? Yes, there is some water in the glass, said Prem. Okay, you all have to repeat after me. Yes, repeat. Yes, there is some water in the glass, said Prem. Now next question we have, is there any paper on the desk? Question mark. Ask, check. Okay. Question number 6 is there, you all have to repeat after me. Focus here. Is there any paper on the desk? Question mark. Asked, check. Okay. What you can see on the table, we can have a look here. We can see the papers, notebook or book you can say, and a stand of a pencil or pen. Okay, so many pencils pencils are there, and papers are here, and books is here on the table, right? So he is asking, is there any paper on the desk? Question mark. Asked, check. So yes, it is there, no, but it is asking yes. So how we will reply? We will say yes, there is. How we will reply? Yes, there is paper on the desk, right? How you will reply? We will write yes, there is paper on the desk. Okay. Now next we have, are there any apples in the bowl? Question mark. Question number 8 we have, inverted comma started. Are there any apples in the bowl? Have a look on the picture. Yes, a bowl is full of apples, right? So it is asking, are there any apples in the bowl? Yes, it is there. Asked, check. Yes, there are some apples in the bowl. Yes, there are some apples in the bowl, said Radha. Okay, you can see everywhere that inverted comma is starting, comma is there, inverted comma is there, and inverted comma is, if it is starting, then it is closing also. Okay, if you are starting an inverted comma, then at last you have to close it also. Okay, so yes, there are some apples in the bowl, said Radha. Okay, now next question we have here. Okay, we have the next question. Answer the following questions. Okay, second types of questions are here with us. Let's see them. Are there any books in the cupboard? Question number 1 is this. Are there any books in the cupboard? Question mark. You can see the books on the cupboard. No. There aren't any books in the cupboard, but there are some books on the desk. Yes. So what you are observing here? Are there any books in the cupboard? See, we can see their books are on the desk, right? Cupboard is empty. Cupboard is empty, right? Yes. So how we will reply? We will say there are not any books in the cupboard, or you can say there are. See, this means are not. Okay, ARER and T means not. So you can say there aren't any books in the cupboard, but there are some books on the desk. Repeat after me. Now you repeat. I will see. Yes, repeat all of you. I am seeing that many of you are not repeating. Just read it. Yes, very good those who have read. Very good students. Yes, next question we have. Is there any rice on the plate? Is there any rice on the plate? Question mark. All have repeated? Very good. So we can see that rice is on the bowl, not on the plate. We can observe the rice on the bowl. So we have the question here. There isn't any bowl on the plate, but there is some rice in the bowl. Okay, we can see that there isn't any rice on the plate, but there is some rice in the bowl, right? Yes, repeat again. Yes, repeat. Very good. Okay. Now moving to the next. Yes, repeat all of you with me. Are there any rulers on the table? Question mark. Are there any rulers on the table? You can see the rulers on the table? No, na? Yes, rulers is on the chair, right? So how you'll reply? There aren't any rulers on the table, but there are some books on the chair. Yes? How you'll say? There aren't any rulers on the table, but there are some books on the chair. Yes. So now moving to the question number 4. Is there any water in the bottle? Is there any water in the bottle? Question mark. Where is water? Yes, water is in the glass. Very good. So, is there any water in the bottle? There isn't any water in the bottle, but there is some water in the glass. There isn't any water in the bottle, but there is some water in the glass. Yes, now you all repeat. Yes, repeat all of you. Yes, good. Now moving to the question number 5. Is there any bread on the floor? Is there any bread on the floor? Question mark. Is there any bread on the floor? Is it on the floor? Bread is on the floor? No. Yes. So how we will reply? There isn't any bread on the floor, but there is some bread on the table. Yes, bread is on the table. It is not on the floor. It is not on the floor. F-L-O-O-R, floor. So how you will reply? There isn't any bread on the floor, but there is some bread on the table. Now moving to the question number 6. Are there any oranges under the chair? Are there any oranges under the chair? Question mark. Where are oranges? Where are oranges? Oranges are on the chair. Is it under? No. A big no is there. So how we are going to reply? There aren't any oranges under the chair, but there are some oranges in the chair. There aren't any oranges under the chair, but there are some oranges in the chair. Now moving to the question number 7. Is there any writing on the wall? Is there any writing on the wall? Yes. What is written there? Look at the wall. MDB is written, right? So how you will reply? There isn't any writing on the wall, but there is some writing on the board. This is a board. Okay, sorry, this is a board. So, but there is some writing on the board. There isn't any writing on the wall, but there is some writing on the board. Yes, now moving to the question number 8, we have, are there any aeroplanes on the ground? Are there any aeroplanes on the ground? Is it on the aeroplane flies on the ground? No, aeroplane flies in the sky, right? Yes, look, you can have a look here. Aeroplanes are flying in the sky. Yes, so how you will reply? How we are going to reply then? There aren't any aeroplanes on the ground, but there are some aeroplanes in the air, in the sky. Okay, there aren't any aeroplanes on the ground, but there are some aeroplanes in the air. Okay, so now what you all have to do, you all have to go through this, right? You all have to study what we have discussed today. So what you all have to do, you have to make your conversation very well. Okay, so keep on reading at home. Okay, my dear students, keep on reading. Go through the dictionary, find difficult words, underline them, read as much as you can. Learn different things, like new words you have to learn, hard words you have to learn, right? Yes, learn the spellings of difficult things, learn how to communicate with others. Okay, so for that you have to pay attention in your active English, right? Yes, keep on reading your active English book. How you have to reply if somebody asks you in English, you should not be quiet, you have to speak. Okay, so I hope today's session was very helpful for you all. So take care of yourself and keep on reading at home. Don't waste your time. Okay, so we will meet in our next class. Till then, thank you all of you for watching, for listening to us. So we will meet in our next class. Till then, Sai Ram.